Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the sound settings in the 7 Deadly Sins Origin. Let's begin by opening settings. From there, navigate to the sound settings or the volume settings. Here you can change the master volume. As you can see, the gauge goes from 0 to 120. Set it to whichever value you prefer. The master volume controls the overall volume of the game. Therefore it controls the rest of the volume settings. In a way, it's a limiter for them. So if I set it to 50, all the others will be effectively halved, if that makes sense. There is BGM volume, which as you can see also goes between 120 and 0. There is effects volume, voice volume and interface volume. You can customize them however you wish. I wanted to make sure I got that right before I mention it. BGM volume stands for the background music volume. So that's good to know. Anyway, as I said, customize this to your liking, so set it to whichever values you prefer. Of course, these are only for show, I don't play like this. Press the X button, the settings are saved, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe. Hello everyone, today I'll show you how to change the keyboard keybinds in the 7 Deadly Sins Origins. Let's begin by opening settings. From there, make sure you're in the keyboard and mouse settings. Here, adjust the keyboard and mouse settings right here, of course. As you can see, here you will be able to change the following inputs. If I, for some reason, wanted to switch the move forward from the W key to the up arrow key, I can simply click on this setting and assign a new key binding. So, for example, I can do something stupid like, I don't know, down is up, and to apply your changes, hit apply. Confirm. Of course, if you make any mistakes, there is always the reset settings button. Click it, click confirm, and this wipes the controls back to the basic ones. Of course, once changing, you don't have to apply them individually, you can apply them all at once. The same goes for resetting. And just to let you know what you can expect, what are the available inputs for your change. There is the movement, so as I mentioned before, so forward, back, left, right, jump, glide, surface, dodge, dash, dive, toggle, run or walk. There is the battle controls: normal attack, special attack, active skill, ultimate move, switch heroes, or tag skill slot 1 to 4, and use quick slot item. In system there is summon pad, summon riding pad, summon flying pad, adventure skill, use Book of Stars, cursor mode, emote 1 and emote 2. And That's it for this guide. Of course, once you are done, press Escape to close the window. You can close out of this and, well, you are ready to play. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.